Disclaimer, this is not a good video. Grape pinged me with Belle Delphine's new video, how to become Belle Delphine. So naturally I pressured her into doing a reaction video with me, despite the fact that she had school in about 15 minutes. So this is a very rushed video. But I don't know, Grape has a very aesthetically pleasing laugh, so enjoy.
Hello, this is my friend
Mr. Skeleton.
And today we're going to turn him into Belle Delphine.
I'm turning him into Belle Delphine.
But first, I have to show you that I'm a real doctor. Now, you need an operation table and one of these spooky boards. Next, you must find a large heart.
Why did she make this video?
Then you take a big
Why
knife
not?
and gently cut the heart open.
Because I would
This
be
makes sure it's a real heart, because every heart has been hurt. Now we pull open the
This
heart,
is
because only
released the
open
4th of
hearts can
November.
accept love. If you want to be a good girl, you must always
Yes.
keep a
I
little
thought it was
space
it's
for
not
body
even
and
on
heart.
Halloween.
Make sure she's nice and warm. The glitter glue will
Oh
keep
yeah,
the
make
hearts
space.
stuck
Always make
together.
space for Jesus
This
Christ.
glittery glue is very special. It will stop the evil fuckboys from being able to break it. This is a key step. Don't forget,
Wait, so
Jesus must always have the deepest
you woke
position
up-
in the heart.
Yeah.
Everyone loves the feeling of
And you saw
butterflies
this
in their
video.
chest, but these ones are extra
and you
special.
sent
They
it to
make
me on
sure your
Discord
heart
and
can't be
pinged
pulled
me
out.
with it.
This will allow you to flutter through life at your own speed. Now,
I woke
pull
up and I
and
checked
say
my
with me,
notifications and this
"Equal
was in here
heart
and I
in
was
my
like,
chest,
this is
please
exactly
make
what
me
semi-code
feel my
is.
best." Now, remember,
Why do I
you
need
have
it?
to thread
'Cause
the
you're not
needle
a
with your
gamer
own
girl.
spit. If this is
Oh, look at her
anyone
lick
else's,
that
there's a
thread.
chance that this whole spell will backfire and your teeth will fall out.
Key part. Essential.
Oh, very nice. It's doing something for me. Thank you, Grape.
And here is a plaster. This is especially important for girls without a father. Now,
The
you
plaster,
must
though.
check that the spell has worked.
Ah yes, having no dad, relatable.
The
It's
heart
too
is
No, Mr.
ready.
Skeleton.
That is a good sign. He's ready. And now you have to open up
He's
the
ready.
chest and put it in. Now make sure it's secure.
Oh
You can't just have
god,
it falling out when
that
you're
is
walking around.
that is rank.
It really is.
For the next step,
You gotta
you
get
need
it in
lots
there.
of naughty pickles. This is for the
Oh.
mischief inside all of us. Make sure you have a super strong
I'm not even
friend
subscribed to
and
Belle
open the pot.
Delphine. Wait, let me. Okay, wait. I just.
Yo,
By the way,
Yep.
these
Wait, no,
smell
I subscribed. I
alive.
subscribed. It's fine.
That's good.
Now we
I was
must
already
add googly
subscribed.
eyes, just for the fact that they're cute.
You gotta write googly eyes.
Hello, Mr. Pickle.
Great, we're doing this.
Also, he has to have friends to come with him.
So do I have
Be
to do
lonely
this?
inside of you.
Yes.
Otherwise, you will be lonely too.
Do I have to?
You have to do this.
Oh god.
Oh
Belle,
no,
what are
she
you
just
doing to that
licked the pickle.
No, I
Make
don't
sure
like
his
this.
friends
Get away from that
No.
pickle, Belle.
Otherwise, he'll get bored. If you make them all the same, they'll
Why is she
fight.
putting it in his mouth?
Oh, very sensual, Mr. Skeleton. Thank you.
Now you
She
can't be
missed.
Belle
What a
Delphine without being a
disappointment.
nerd, so you've got to add these for real. The little nerd capsules
Hey, nerds
do
are
have
good.
a weird side effect.
I've never
They
tried
make
them.
you
Oh.
obsessed with
Really?
weird things on the internet.
Yeah.
Like
It's just
memes.
pure sugar.
Do you like these?
I'm
Mr.
already obsessed with
Skeleton?
memes.
Belle Delphine must have her bathwater. Otherwise,
See, okay, I was
she'll
thinking
become
about doing
really,
this.
really
Oh yeah, I was
quick.
thinking about doing this,
Unscrew the
right?
top
But I
and
don't
take
have
the
her
center.
bathwater.
You must make sure
I
it's
missed out
That's
on
the
buying her
only part you
bathwater.
don't have.
That's good.
I
The
can
only
get
part that's
everything else.
holding you back.
Exactly, because everything else
Yep,
is
he likes
not
it.
time limited, but her bathwater,
Warning,
is time
this
limited.
step is dangerous. You must smash
so
the
sad.
light bulb with a hammer.
Give me your
This makes
bathwater,
her
Belle Delphine.
excited.
Wait, great, you give me your bathwater. Maybe
She
it'll
loves the idea
substitute.
of a house being broken into. However, I'm not strong enough.
She loves the idea of a house being broken
Catch you
into.
next time.
Oh yeah, so
Look how much fun
relatable.
we're having together. Isn't that right, Greg?
Who the fuck is Greg?
Yes, Greg.
After
Yes,
playtime,
Greg.
you must be
Who the-
careful.
no, who
If
the
you
fuck is
breathe in the
Greg?
slime, you can
I think
develop
it's
severe
his
case of
her camera
osteoporosis.
man.
Rock Turner's
See,
skull
I know
is
the Belle
small
Delphine
and
lore.
broken. but it's a good place to hold
Then
your
who's
slime.
Brock Turner?
Brock Turner.
Time to make.
Oh, we
Yes.
don't talk about him.
Sticky.
Time to make Kitty sticky.
Now give her lots
Kinda
of
hot, not gonna lie.
no. Give a little head pats.
Oh no, no! Oh.
Oh.
This is
He
your
got
new
it on
forever
assault.
home now,
That's a rip.
Greg.
Oh, the most of it just fell out.
Of course.
Brilliant.
Now go to your grandmother's house and collect the family meat globe.
I
This
don't
one is
have a
nice and fresh
grandmother.
for us. At least
I don't
Uncle
have a
Wilfred
family
didn't
meat
damage
globe.
his liver when he fell.
I don't have a
The memory
family.
liver is important. Otherwise, Belle
Well, you
won't
can have your
remember who
very
she
own
is.
Belle Delphine.
This is why we add the razor blade.
Belle Delphine's
This
my
makes
family,
sure
okay?
her memory juice comes out.
Wow. I can hear
Some
it in the
memories
voice, the
can be
accent.
hard to swallow,
Oh no.
can't
Oh
they,
no.
Mr.
I've been
Skeleton?
I like how she uses the hammer because otherwise the razor blades are very, very dangerous.
Oh, great.
Wait,
You look
we
much
we
better
here
now.
at Belle Delphine
But let's
Incorporated
check how many
value
followers you
safety
have.
over everything else. Especially when selling our bathwater.
Oh no, this isn't good. You lost your Instagram account. Quickly, you must inject new follower worms.
And you follow it.
Oh, stop that. Ah!
This isn't
Ew.
even the most gruesome part.
Belle, no. Well, I haven't watched
Phew.
this.
Well done. The new followers have
unlike
made you
you.
relevant again. Here, have a nice lollipop.
Don't do it, Belle. Don't. Oh, God, no. Mr. Skeleton is not very good at eating.
No,
No.
we're not going to school today.
Oof.
Now this is
Wait,
what we
you-
wanted.
wait,
Your
you're British.
Facebook
Wait, hold on.
inbox. Wow, so many.
Belle.
Now let's teach these boys a lesson. Time to take out the rejection clips.
Ooh, oof.
Nope,
Oh, that
Nope.
hits me hard.
nope, nope. Now that's a lot
Belle,
of
be
deflated
my wife.
egos.
I'm the king of deflated egos. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow, what's this? Oh, that's disappointing. Let's open up the spam messages. Make sure you dig your fingers in.
I don't
You've
even
got to
know
go
what spam
real
is.
Deep. Just to make
Well-
sure there's nothing important in there.
It just... Stop it.
Yep.
Oh wait, I
Nothing.
know what spam is. Never mind.
Oh yes,
Oh, God. I
it's
should
your
just make a
birthday.
compilation of every time she sticks her
Cupcakes!
tongue out in this.
Yummy, yummy.
It's his
Time
birthday.
to bake a cake. The main ingredient is the blood sac. Let's slice it open and see how much blood we have this year. Yes, indeed.
Ew.
This is a reasonable amount.
This is a reasonable amount.
That's one of the grossest parts.
You've got to make sure you massage it.
No, the
Do the
cupcakes.
cupcakes too.
No! No!
This allows the pungent smell to fill the room.
Oh my God. That filled me with so much anxiety
Time
watching
to
her
add
almost
my
bite
birthday
that
candles.
cupcake.
I know. Oh my god.
Time to light the candles. Now sing happy birthday with me. Happy birthday.
Sing happy birthday
to
to
you.
Happy
Hello,
birthday to
unhappy.
you.
Happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday.
No! No clapping.
Thin, Mr. Skeleton. Make sure you eat lots of my birthday cake.
No.
Wow, you're learning to do the ahegao so soon.
Quick, Grape, a hegao!
What?
Go! A hegao! You must embody your inner god. Oh wow, don't kiss the skeleton.
Why are you sad? Because
That
your
skeleton
birthday's
is-
over.
It's probably ill
Please don't
by now.
cry. Thy tears
Oh,
make me
the-
sad.
The oozing out of the eye.
Oh no.
Time to cheer up now. Have some yummy glubby nubbies.
What was that Windows moving into transition thing?
Like,
That
relatable.
text. That's what you use.
Yes, my editing's just about as good.
Oh no.
Imagine
it
clearing
smells
up this
so
mess.
sad. I just guess I have to give him the sniffy, snuffy, intense coffee.
Oh no.
What? Wait, what? What? What did that say?
Naughty, naughty. It's time to
Jesus
repent.
Christ.
You must become a nun. Prepare with the body and the blood of Christ. And let us pray. Say no to
Are
drugs
we watching
and yes
Belle
to Christ.
Delphine become
Begone,
Christian?
you thought. Jesus
Yes.
will suffice.
Yes to Chris.
I don't think
Sticks
Jesus
and stones
approves.
will break
Grape.
your bones,
Belle
but
Delphine
words
is
will
the
hurt much more.
Christian.
That's why we have to eat our kidney chilies. These will warm us up.
I
and
somehow
keep
doubt
on
that.
eating. Like when people say you're weird and have daddy issues. You can't be Belle Delphine
Christ
without
starts
pink
selling
hair,
his
so I
bath
guess
water.
it's time to share. Have some of mine. Let's tape it to your head.
No.
It won't be long until you're no longer dead.
What?
Oh wow!
Oh no.
Great
She
on you,
cut
Mrs.
off
We're-
her hair.
You're going to
We're
be
witnessing
just
chaotic
like
evil.
me.
Stop it!
Oh
Stop
no.
that.
It's time to get Mr. Skeleton dressed. Shall we see if it fits you? Yes, that's perfect. Wow, your chest is so flat, just like me.
She's ruined
Now
that.
it's time to hide your coochie,
Oh, no.
Mr. Skeleton.
Oh no.
That's off limits.
Mr. Skeleton.
Wow,
It's Belle
what a
Delphine
perfect
trap.
fit. It's meant to be. No, Skelly, that's for Patreon only.
Stop.
It's way too
Soon,
big.
people will be
That's for
asking you for
patrons
pictures
only.
of your feet. That's why you've got to wear socks, because otherwise they'll realise you don't have any toes. If you have identity problems like me, you can just wear cat ears. So instead of responding to problems, you can just meow instead. Meow. I spy with my little eye.
I do
something
own
beginning
cat
with
ears.
egg.
Oh
I
no.
meant eyeball.
Right, let me just leave.
Now we can watch TikTok together.
I also
Won't
own
that make
donkey
you
ears.
Happy, Mr. Skeleton?
I
Here are some eyelashes, so you can flirt with all the yeah boys. Wait, you're not on my premium Snapchat.
won't miss the
I
bus
think
if
we're
I
gonna
just
have to
stay
close the
for
eyes
another like.
first. Yep, like that. Well, I think
The
we've
video's looking
successfully
buggy.
turned you into Belle Delphine. Now you
Wow,
can
it
live
looks
out your
just
internet
like you.
fantasies.
Don't lick
Good
the
luck,
egg, Belle!
and most importantly,
Oh no!
have fun, Mr. Skeleton.
What are you talking about? That's the best part.
What of the raw egg? What is
It looks just like Belle Delphine. That's what I look like in real life.
And look, she's even covering herself with the white creamy stuff like Belle Delphine usually does. This is what you look like in real life?
Yeah.
Pixar
This
didn't
is what I
happen.
go to school in.
Belle, stop!
Why are you
Belle,
telling me
don't.
to stop? That's the best part.
Community guideline strike!
No! We're not taking her down.
Fuck, I licked chicken.
She licked the cream.
Salmonella!
Why you don't sexualize yourself, kids. That's it.
What the fuck was this?
Amazing. It's my favorite video.
You watched it like just then.
It's my favorite already, alright? Shut up. I've seen it twice.
You see? And thanks to you, now I've seen it once.
You're welcome.
Oh god. Well, what do you think, Grape? How was that?
Amazing. Subscribe to Belle Delphine and not Simico.
No. That's not what my channel's called.
Well,
Alright.
subscribe to Belle Delphine instead of Amuse. There you go.
And that's the outro. Thanks for this. And remember, I'm still a Love Life channel.
No, you're not.
Yeah, no, I'm a Belle Delphine reaction channel now.
Bubbles and Amuse react to Belle Delphine.
Great.